Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad evaporative system integrity module and it's time to replace it? This part here is called the Esim or evaporative system integrity module. There's also different names such as LDP or fuel leak detection pump, but of course they're all going to be the same part. What is the purpose of the evaporative system integrity module? And the purpose of having this module is to check for fuel vapor leak in the evap system. What is a Esim? A Esim is going to be a switch and it is going to contain a diaphragm and a spring, and its purpose is to detect different pressures. If you're getting evap code and you checked a lot of parts such as the charcoal canister, you check evap line, make sure it is not loose, and you just check a whole lot of things. And if you're still getting evap codes and you can't figure out what the problem is, it is possible this part might be the issue if your vehicle came with one. Another way to tell that this evaporative system integrity module is failing is that you're going to get code. You're going to get P0456 code and P0457 code. And of course, these are going to be evap codes. In addition, when this part is filling, you're going to smell gas fume when you're in the cabin, and also you're going to notice rough idle. What causes the Esim to fail? Well, inside the Esim, there's going to be a diaphragm. And when that diaphragm goes bad, it will cause a leak. And of course, you're going to get a evap leak code. The next reason, it is going to be a connection issue. Since the Esim is usually located on the charcoal canister or around that area, it is going to be prone to damage. Now, on the Esim, there's going to be a connector on it, and that connector can become extremely wet and it can become corroded. So make sure that connector is not corroded. Also, in the Esim, there's going to be a giant O-ring. So make sure to replace that O-ring if it is cracked. Furthermore, make sure the hoses on the Esims are not loose or cracked or damaged. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.